Yeah. Okay, so here we go. At 98 degrees. Well, first let's write our formula. That would help. My formula is minus yes
equals T0.
T naught minus TS e to the negative KT. Promise we do not know K, right? Now, this 98 degrees, which T is that? The initial. It is initially 98 degrees, right? So I know that T naught is 98. You with me there? Now it's put into a pan that is 18 degrees. What is 18? That's the surrounding temperature, right?
Initial surrounding.
Well, it's just a surrounding temperature. Okay, surrounding temperature should not change. Okay, so that is 18. Okay. Now this sentence right here has no bearing on the actual solution other than I'm going to use it right now to find the rate. The actual question here, just like half-lives, we can't answer that yet. We're going to ignore the actual question. We need to find the rate. So I'm going to use that. In 5 minutes, so little t is 5, the egg's temperature is 38. So I plugged it in for temperature. Let's solve that to get K. So right here they give me 20 equals 80 e to the negative 5K. You with me there? Yes, no?
Yes.
So K times negative 5 e to the times 80 equals 20 divided by 80 natural log divided by negative 5. So I have K is natural log of 1/4 over negative 5. Never ever round K, correct? So we have to use it again. Now what I want to do is I'm going to go back to my equation. Nothing changes but the two variables. Once you identify T naught, TS, all that, that's not changing. Those are not variables. Those are constants. The only thing that will change are my variables. So in this case, it wants to know how much longer, so that's me to find little t, when the temperature is 20. So, I know now 20 minus 18, 98 minus 18, E, now be careful, this is a common mistake right here. Negative K, but I already have a negative, so I have natural log of 1/4 over 5. You with me there? A negative, negative, when I plug it in the formula. Let's clean that up. 2 equals 80 E, so the natural log of 1/4 over 5. So I have times natural log of 1/4 over 5 e to the times 80 divided by 80 natural log divided by natural log of 1/4 over 5. Done writing? Go ahead and find 3 decimal places. What do we get? 13.305. Anyone else get that?
Yeah.
And little t is in what, minutes? Now, does that sound reasonable? Wait 13 minutes for your egg to cool to eat? Yeah, sure. Now, sometimes you might get a negative time. And that's perfectly okay. You have to actually just interpret that. For instance, let's say you walk onto a crime scene. You have to determine time of death. Obviously, it's going to be before you walked in the room, correct?
Yeah.
Right?
Possibly.
So you might get a negative 3 hours, meaning 3 hours before you walked in the room.
That's just a time change.
So you have to actually interpret it. Well, it'd still be negative in that case.